I really liked working with my hands. That was one thing I really loved. I love moving. I loved moving around. I didn't want to sit in an office building all day, and I love doing something different every day. That's something I love about this trade. I don't have to do the same thing over and over again.
Just like I was treated when I started in the business, I make sure that I go that extra mile to give a person an amazing education. And you can be a lead mechanic, within 3 to 5 years, of which we pay for that whole experience for them. It makes me feel good that I'm improving our industry, not just my company.
So the one thing that really got me excited was trying to grow as a person, to be honest with you. I mean, I was young. I started when I was 18 here. I'm 21 now, and I definitely grew. With this company, it all starts up top. I mean, those managers and the owner, they do a great job. I mean, those guys taught me almost everything I know right now.
We're in a business where everybody promises you everything from no on-call to vacations in the summertime and all this stuff. And, some of it can be smoke and mirrors. You really have to have a connection with that manager or that owner, knowing that he's going to deliver.
Rich actually sat me down and asked me what my life goals were. It was strange because nobody ever asked me that before. At that point, I started thinking of things, that I really wanted to do, like purchase a house, have a family, have a nice car. And I actually set goals, and I wrote them down, and I achieved them all. And I was able to afford that because of this company.
I came in this trade knowing completely nothing. Now I could say I could do a full condenser, I could do a water heater, I could do multiple things that I never thought I could do. And this company taught me everything I know, so that's all I could thank is Service Professionals teaching me the way.
Every single person that's going to come work here, you're going to get an amazing education. You're going to understand what it means to do the right thing. When you come to work for us, we're just not going to let you down.